Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy tomato soup made with healthy beans, but tastes so good. The perfect soup to warm your body and soul. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a jar of roasted red peppers into a powerful blender. Along with a can of drained and rinsed white beans. Six small tomatoes. Half a cup of cashews. Half a teaspoon each of onion, garlic, paprika powder and salt. And a cup of boiling hot water. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy soup! Thanks for watching.